Hello everyone, I'm Vinay Palnami and I'm a mechanical engineer from Peck University of Technology. Today I'm here to discuss my IIM Calcutta interview, and before that I tell you about my CAT. I had given CAT in 2011 and got 99.12 percentile, and this time around I gave it in CAT 2012 and I got 99.94 percentile, and my IIM Calcutta interview was scheduled on 19th of March, and it was scheduled in Force School of Management, Delhi. And I'll begin with the process. We were told to reach at 8 a.m. in the morning, and when we reached there, initially we were directed to the hall where they told us that our verification of documents the verifications of a document will be done, and this was the process. Verification of the documents took place till 9 a.m. At 9 a.m. At the same time, there were lists put out where we could see our panel number, and they told us to write the panel number on the forms and submit the same. And after that, the verification of certain students took around till 9 a.m. But after that, it stopped us because at that time it was time for the written VAT, the written assessment task. And the topic which I got was that every country needs its heroes. But do you think the definition of heroes changed over the years, and has India got those heroes or not? And unhappy is the land which has no heroes. So this was a basic topic in our written ability task, and we were given around 20 minutes to write. After that, they took the written ability task sheets away from us, and we continued with our verification, and after that we were directed towards our panels. And when I got in there, I saw there were 3 panelists. From the left, the first, there was a middle-aged lady. In the center was another middle-aged gentleman, and towards my right was another gentleman who was not very old but still middle-aged. The interview began when the lady asked me about my professional qualifications and about my experience of working with Tata Motors, and they asked me a few things about the company I was working with and why I left my job and some other questions. Later on, the lady also asked me about the different current affairs, and she told me whether I read the newspaper or not, and I answered that I did, and then she asked me to tell today's news. Since I had read the newspaper, I went on and I gave a detailed account of 2 news articles, after which the gentleman on my right told me to stop, and he did comment that since I know everything in detail, that I have read the newspaper very well. So that was one point I scored well. And in IIM Calcutta interview, generally they ask a couple of questions related to mathematics, and I was asked a simple question on what's the significance of an integral. So a couple of other guys did get many questions from IIM Calcutta, different panels in the IIM Calcutta interview. And apart from this, they also inquired about general technical concepts. And since I was a mechanical engineer, they did not ask me anything in specific, but at the same time they went back to the basics of force and motion, the Newton's law, and at the same time the Charles law and the Boyle's law. So that was something, and at the same time I did feel that in these questions, whenever I got stuck at one point or another, the panel did give me hints from where I was able to carry on and answer the questions. Moreover, I believe in the IIM Calcutta interview, there are 3 things to be kept in mind. One is about your personal profile, second is about quant, and the third is about the current affairs. So I personally believe I was able to do well on the quant, since I was asked just one question, and that too I answered almost instantly, and as well as the current affairs. As far as the personal issues are concerned, they did ask me about what I had written in my career goals in the form. That is one thing which they like to read, and which is a very important part of your admission process. And after reading that, they asked me about to tell where I wanted to be after certain years with the exact post in mind. So they didn't want a specific answer. That was one thing which they asked me to tell in a particular specific way. Apart from that, a few technical questions related to Newton's law and a couple of questions about my work, about my company, and about what I did in my company and how much time I worked there and what I used to do there. Moreover, they asked me a little personal questions about my family, and that was towards the end of the interview. And after that, I politely said thank you and I exited.